Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to edit your website with Weebly. So first we're going to go to the website and log in. So as you can see, this is our dashboard. So when you guys click on website, you guys could click your site, the domains. If you guys click on items, you guys see the following. Same with fulfillment, same with settings. You guys can find different settings here. Then you guys are going to click on edit site. Again, you're going to click on edit. So it's going to take you to the editor. So you guys can manipulate many objects here. You guys could go to page, insert many blocks as much as you want, different objects as well. As you can see, when I shift it to the left, it's going to create the object there for me in the site. So as you can see, you can manipulate many things here. Then you guys could go to build. You can rename different things. You can add photos, replace them, rewrite the text. You could color the text. You could enlarge it. You could do different things with it. So there are many specs to edit in Weebly. So this is how you do it all in all. As I told you, we also have different videos in our how to tutorial playlists. Make sure to check them out as well. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.